How to delete your GoCrypto account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to clean up your crypto apps or simply step away from GoCrypto for good, you are in the right place. First of all, launch open the GoCrypto application on your device and make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Once you're inside this lobby page, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top left corner of the home screen, and in the bottom of the settings menu, you'll see the delete account button. Click on that. Before proceeding with the deletion of your account, make sure you have withdrawn any remaining funds or crypto from your account. Download the transaction history if needed, and remember that the deletion is usually permanent. So if you're sure you'd like to delete and you've taken care of any remaining funds on your account, you can click delete button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to delete your account for good. So right there you have successfully deleted your GoCrypto application from your smartphone or your tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.